Right now, your private helicopter is touching down on this luxurious mega yacht. Now that's arriving in style. So, let's step inside and explore some of the most luxurious and expensive mega yachts in the world. Private submarine, speedboats, jet skis, and countless other luxurious spaces await inside these super yachts. Today we're taking a look inside the most expensive mega yachts owned by the richest people on the planet. Worldwide, there are only about 50 of these yachts in operation that exceed 330 feet, or 100 meters in length. Right now, you're looking at the Benetti Luminosity, a mega yacht valued at around $200 million. Built in Livorno, Italy in 2020, it ranks among the largest hybrid yachts ever constructed. Inside this yacht, you'll find swimming pools, multiple hot tubs, and numerous luxurious spaces with stunning views. It features 12 staterooms accommodating up to 27 guests, along with 23 cabins for 37 crew members. Unfortunately, the owner of this beautiful Benetti yacht is Andrey Guryev, a powerful Russian fertilizer magnate and former CEO of PhosAgro, one of the world's largest producers of phosphate-based fertilizers. Due to sanctions, this yacht is currently held in Montenegro under restricted circumstances. Forbes reports that 40 of the wealthiest Americans own at least 60 yachts collectively worth over $6 billion, with some owning multiple vessels. Prominent examples include Jeff Bezos' yacht Kourou and Mark Zuckerberg's yacht Launchpad. Owners from the Gulf region, particularly the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, dominate the superyacht scene. Notably, the Abu Dhabi royal family alone possesses 8 of the top 50 largest yachts. Overall, over 80% of the world's largest yachts are owned by Gulf nationals. As you can see for yourself, the decks of mega yachts often feature gyms, cinemas, saunas, and numerous relaxation areas. Of course, most mega yachts are custom-built in shipyards, allowing owners to tailor the majority of interior spaces to their preferences. However, it's noteworthy that despite China's vast number of billionaires, there are only 3 confirmed Chinese owners among the top 200 largest yachts globally. As you can see for yourself, the view of this vessel at night is breathtaking. The yacht features expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, glass walls, and panoramic views across its decks, allowing natural light to flood the interior spaces. Benetti Yachts, an esteemed Italian shipyard with over 150 years of history, has crafted some of the world's most luxurious and technologically advanced mega yachts. Building a mega yacht is a colossal challenge, often taking 3 to 5 years from initial design to delivery. The timeline depends on factors like complexity, customization, and the shipyard's workload. Ultra-luxury yachts with unique interiors, advanced technology, and hybrid propulsion systems typically push closer to 4 to 5 years. As you can see for yourself, this yacht boasts an incredible 6 decks with a stunning central staircase complete with an elevator. The interior of this mega yacht closely resembles that of a luxurious ocean view mansion. However, maintaining and operating the vessel requires a crew of nearly 40 people. This Benetti FB272 Luminosity is a groundbreaking super yacht that redefines luxury and design. This yacht also has a motorboat stored on the upper decks, which is lowered into the water using a crane. equipped with Caterpillar hybrid engines, allowing for silent cruising in electric mode for up to 15 nautical miles. It is generally estimated that operating a mega yacht costs around 10 to 20% of its purchase price per year. For example, if a mega yacht costs $200 million, annual operating expenses could be $20 to $40 million. With a gross tonnage of 5,844 gross tons, the yacht offers expansive interiors featuring 3-meter-high ceilings in many areas. A collaboration between Zanis Jakubowski, Andrew Langton, and Giorgio M. Cassetta, the yacht's design evokes a moving palace of glass, offering panoramic views of the surroundings. The interiors, also crafted by Zanis Jakubowski, feature luxurious materials and artistic elements, including sculpted white magnolia flowers in Korean resin and interactive video walls. The yacht is noted for its quiet operation, with sound levels in many areas measuring less than 35 decibels A, comparable to the quietest libraries. An 18-meter-high glass staircase serves as a central architectural feature, providing a dramatic visual centerpiece. Equipped with 6 Caterpillar engines, Luminosity boasts a hybrid diesel-electric system, enabling a cruising speed of 15 knots and a maximum range of 8,000 nautical miles. The yacht incorporates high-tech battery systems for efficient energy use, aligning with modern sustainability standards. Luminosity features a system that recycles waste heat to generate electrical power, enhancing energy efficiency. Amenities include a hospital room, doctor's cabin, and a laundry facility comparable to much larger vessels. An advanced Lutron domestic system with approximately 300 miles of concealed cabling ensures unobstructed views through the yacht's expansive 3-meter-high windows. Now you're looking at the Benetti SE-77 Antiset concept yacht, a bold vision that redefines what a super yacht can be. Unveiled at the 2017 Monaco Yacht Show, this collaboration between Italian shipyard Benetti and renowned Mexican architect Fernando Romero marks a significant departure from traditional yacht design. This yacht replaces rigid lines with flowing organic shapes inspired by marine life, creating a seamless connection between decks and the surrounding sea. You are now looking at the Benetti SuperYacht Triumph. Built in 2021, this is a custom-built super yacht estimated to be worth around $80 million. It is owned by Chris Dawson, an Australian billionaire and founder of the online retail company, The Good Guys. The yacht has a steel hull and an aluminum superstructure, which provide added stability. It's powered by MTU engines with a top speed of 16 knots and a cruising speed of 12 knots. At 12 knots, it has a range of over 4,700 nautical miles. There's also a touch-and-go helipad on the bow for easy arrivals and departures. The beach club spans 70 square meters and features a drop-down platform, sauna, gym, massage room, and jacuzzi. The interior was designed by Benetti's Style Office with decor by Green and Mingarelli Design, using materials like Lalique glass, statuario marble, and custom carpets inspired by desert dunes and ocean floors. The Mega Yacht showcases high-end materials, including rare woods, marble, Lalique glass, gold or platinum leaf, and custom carpets inspired by art, nature, and geography. Living areas include open-plan lounges and dining rooms with large panoramic windows and glass walls that bring in natural light and offer stunning sea views. For entertainment, there are private cinemas, game rooms, libraries, and music studios. Onboard crew usually outnumber the guests, providing constant service, including cooking, cleaning, and navigation. Many yachts are self-sufficient with freshwater desalination, large food storage, and even hydroponic gardens. Interiors are designed to be extremely quiet. Guests enjoy complete privacy with secure communications and onboard Wi-Fi. Owners can travel anywhere in the world while enjoying all the comforts of a luxury home. Some yachts are equipped with multiple pools, both indoor and outdoor, often featuring infinity edges. Beach clubs are flexible spaces near the water that include lounge areas, saunas, gyms, massage rooms, and direct access to the sea. Water toys like jet skis, speedboats, submarines, kayaks, and diving gear are stored in dedicated garages. Many yachts also have helipads for direct arrivals and departures, with some even including hangar space for the helicopter. Spa and fitness areas often include gyms, yoga studios, steam rooms, and occasionally even onboard medical clinics. You are now watching the construction of the hull of a Benetti Oasis superyacht at the shipyard in Livorno, Italy. This yacht features a semi-displacement hull made from glass-reinforced plastic, GRP, and carbon fiber. This is the beginning of production for a super-luxury yacht by the renowned Dutch shipyard Royal Hoostman. The work is taking place at Royal Hoostman's main facility in Vollenhove, located on the Dutch coast. Here you see the construction of Project 408's keel, a yacht measuring an impressive 213 feet in length. Designed with a strong emphasis on high performance, the vessel will feature Alustar aluminum construction, a carbon rig, and an integrated rondel sailing system. More than 370 highly skilled employees work at this shipyard, dedicated exclusively to the creation of world-class super yachts. The shipyard's production halls are positioned directly alongside a canal with direct access to the sea, making the launch and transport process highly efficient. An essential step in pre-launch preparation is propeller testing, carried out while the yacht remains accessible on land. Each propeller is powered by its own motor and is capable of full 360-degree rotation, ensuring exceptional maneuverability once at sea. This is Royal Hoostman's classic ketch. The prestigious Dutch shipyard has been building exceptional yachts since 1884. The longest yacht ever produced by Royal Hoostman measures 296 feet. Developed and engineered to remain below 500 GT, PHI holds the record as the longest motor yacht in the world within this category. During sea trials on the North Sea, PHI achieved speeds of over 20 knots despite challenging conditions. Her cruising speed is 12 knots, with a top speed exceeding 22 knots. The yacht's interior was crafted by the London-based design studio Lawson Robb. The name PHI reflects the mathematical formula of natural proportions, which inspired the yacht's design. Its decks are themed around three concepts: the galaxy, the ocean's surface, and the underwater world. Construction of the yacht's welded steel framework requires transportation by heavy-duty trucks and tractors. One of the most critical stages is the installation of the captain's bridge onto the keel of Project PHI. This operation takes place inside the production hall, using massive overhead cranes integrated into the shipyard's ceiling. Oil Huisman began as a small wooden boat builder in Ronneburg, the Netherlands, making fishing boats and work vessels before evolving into one of the world's top luxury yacht builders. Unlike many shipyards that build series yachts, Royal Huisman specializes in fully custom super yachts, often called one-off masterpieces. Royal Huisman was an early adopter of Alistar aluminium for lightweight, strong hulls, and has been a leader in integrating carbon composite masts and rigs. This connection is completed before painting, engine installation, and interior outfitting. When the yacht is moved within the yard, a dedicated team carefully oversees the process. The worker with the joystick controls only the steering direction of the wheels, while the hauling power comes from a truck positioned in front. With the bridge installed, the highest point of the vessel, the yacht begins to reveal its elegant aerodynamic silhouette. Within the superyacht industry, PHI's slender hull lines and ultra-low profile are regarded as an extraordinary engineering achievement. Once painted in her striking blue livery, this blue superyacht is ready to be launched into the canal and guided out to sea. This stunning vessel accommodates 12 guests, including a luxurious penthouse-style owner's suite, as well as up to 11 crew members, with the capacity to expand if needed. For comfort at sea, PHI is fitted with 2 advanced gyro stabilizers, and among her unique features is an infinite wine cellar for the ultimate onboard indulgence. The Royal Huisman Shipyard Complex may not be enormous, but it is highly efficient. To move a yacht of this size, a giant multi-wheeled tractor carefully transports her towards the water. Despite its 140-year history, the yard embraces cutting-edge technology, virtual reality design tools, advanced hydrodynamics, and hybrid propulsion systems. When it is time for launch, the yacht is lifted by 2 colossal Phi-branded cranes. Extreme precision and caution are vital. After all, tens of millions of dollars are suspended in the air. The final stage of her build includes the installation of the antenna and radar tower, completing the yacht's sleek profile. Royal Huisman has also produced other masterpieces, such as the Ngoni SuperYacht, valued at around $50 million with annual running costs of approximately $1 million. Despite her immense sail area, Ngoni relies on a manual steering system, deliberately designed without power assistance. Light, firm, highly responsive, and adjustable. Another remarkable launch from the yard is the 155-foot Nilaya, seen here being moved from the production hall on a giant tractor trailer. Here you can see how many Royal Huisman employees it takes to build a super yacht like this. Nearly 100 experienced workers. Now the super yacht Nilaya is ready to make her first contact with the water. Nilaya is a composite super yacht, 11% lighter than traditional aluminum yachts, offering superior performance. With a top speed of 17 knots, she has been in service since last year and continues to showcase the yard's dedication to innovation and excellence. Now you can compare this with the manufacturer Benetti. Right now you are watching the assembly of a luxury ship at the shipyards in Livorno, Italy. The engines for boats and yachts are supplied by subcontractor Caterpillar. Benetti itself operates a total of 3 shipyards in Italy. The facility in Viareggio specializes in the construction of smaller yachts and semi-custom models. The Fano yard is known for precision work and specialized yacht building, while Livorno, the largest of the 3, is dedicated to the creation of Benetti's largest custom superyachts. While the custom superyachts grab headlines, Benetti is also known for its semi-custom lines like the Delfino and Oasis, making their yachts accessible to a wider range of owners. Factory workers are now concentrating on electrification and painting the exterior at the same time. Once the interior is completed and fitted out, the superyacht is ready for launch. The vessel is carefully lowered into a dry chamber, which is then gradually flooded with seawater to float her for the first time. Together, Azimut and the Benetti Group employ around 2,300 people across all their shipyards worldwide. The largest yacht ever built by Benetti is the FB275, launched in 2019, with an impressive length of 355 feet. This exceptional Alistar aluminum motor yacht is the world's largest true sportfish yacht, with her towering profile accommodating 6 decks. Her design is extremely distinctive, with a long bow and high bulwark sweeping through a clear sheer to a low and uncluttered cockpit aft. It was efficiently built by a shipyard team of more than 350 individual experts and highly skilled co-creators. So Benetti is owned by the Azimut Benetti Group, which is consistently ranked as the largest yacht manufacturer in the world by total length of yachts delivered each year. This is how the largest hull was assembled here at the Royal Husman Shipyard, with a length of 295 feet. Each hull is custom engineered, ensuring it meets the client's specifications and performance goals. Large hulls are built in modular sections. Each section, keel, midship, bow, stern, is fabricated separately. Precision cutting and welding machines ensure that each section fits together perfectly, minimizing errors. Alistar hulls are highly polished to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency or sailing performance. Prefabricated sections are joined using giant overhead cranes inside the production hall. At first, the yacht's hull was all welded upside down. To turn it over with cranes, it has to be taken out of the production hall. Turning the hull of the yacht is an important milestone in the build process. It marks the start of the outfitting, during which various carefully selected and especially developed components will be fitted. This vessel will be both extremely lightweight and casoine, compared to existing carbon composite super yachts, very competitive in regattas. This is privately owned custom yacht builder called Ocean Co. Oshanko was established in the Netherlands in 1987 and has since become one of the leading builders of custom mega yachts over 260 feet in length. Oshanko focuses on custom super yachts, particularly mega yachts and giga yachts, combining luxury with cutting-edge naval engineering. The shipyard collaborates with top designers like Nuvolari Leonard, Espen Oino, and Winch Design, creating yachts that are both aesthetically stunning and highly functional. Oshanko blends traditional shipbuilding skills with state-of-the-art engineering, including aluminum and steel hulls, carbon fiber structures, and hybrid propulsion systems. Oshanko operates a large facility in Alblasserdam, Netherlands, capable of building vessels up to 450 feet, with modular construction allowing sections to be built and transported efficiently. Oshanko is increasingly using hybrid propulsion, energy-saving hull designs, and environmentally friendly materials to reduce the ecological footprint of their yachts. Oshanko builds for ultra-high net worth individuals, including billionaires and royals, but maintains strict confidentiality regarding its clients. Many Oshanko yachts include innovative features such as telescopic masts, transformable swimming pools, underwater lounges, and helipads, all engineered for both safety and luxury. Large yachts are often built in prefabricated sections, then assembled at the Alblasserdam facility using precision cranes, allowing for complex structures and interiors to be integrated seamlessly. Omani billionaire Mohammed Al Barwani is the owner of Oshanko. The production process for each Oshanko super yacht begins with a computer-aided design. Designers take several months to come up with an overall look, which must then be translated into a precise building plan. Production of a super yacht usually takes 2 to 4 years from commissioning to final delivery to the customer. The company has the ability to simultaneously build 5 yachts in the 260 feet plus category. The process of welding mega yachts is gradual. Smaller parts are welded first and then joined to form the overall shape. Oshanko Shipyard is definitely one of the best companies focusing on mega yachts. Thousands of tons of heavy mega yachts are moved around the shipyard by massive tractors. Oshanko specializes in customization. Whatever the client can think of with some limitations, they can build here. Several activities are being worked on at the same time. Something is being welded, and at the same time the exterior is being prepared. Engines and furniture are being made. To paint the exterior of the super yacht, a large scaffolding must be erected around it. The production hall of the shipyard has limited height, and the radar mast will be mounted outside. Now the mega yacht will be taken ashore and launched. Several more weeks will be spent testing engine performance controls and other testing of the mega yacht. For the first transport, mega yacht engines are not yet used, but moved by tugboats. In 2008, the company acquired more land adjacent to the present yard, and in 2010, they set about demolishing the old buildings and slips to make way for a new covered dry dock, which now allows them to construct yachts up to 400 feet. The company operates from its expanded production facility, 8.2 hectares, located in Alblasserdam, near Rotterdam in the Netherlands. The yard has almost unrestricted direct access via the inland water WA system to the North Sea. In terms of size, the largest yachts are approximately 90 meters for Royal Husman, 108 meters for Benetti, and 110 meters for Ocean Co. Damen Yachting is a prominent Dutch shipyard specializing in luxury yachts, renowned for its rich maritime heritage, innovative designs, and commitment to quality craftsmanship. This is what the completion of the Sea Explorer 77 by Damen Yachting looks like. Sea Explorer is a line of luxury superyachts that specialize in cruising the inhospitable parts of the oceans. On the upper deck, you will find the heliport. Great emphasis is placed on a spacious interior. Damen Yachting is a company that deals with boat building of all kinds. However, Amels is a division of Damen that only builds superyachts. The Sea Explorer 77 you are looking at right now is 77 meters long, which is 252 feet, and has a capacity of 12 guests. This is what the engines and control room of the 290-foot superyacht Illusion Plus look like. The manufacturer of this luxury yacht is Pride Yachts, and she is currently on charter with Fraser. Pride Mega Yachts are world-class expert yacht manufacturers based in China's Yantai Peninsula. Building a mega yacht is a highly sophisticated process that can take several years from design to launch. It begins with conceptual design, where naval architects and designers collaborate with the owner to define the yacht's size, layout, style, and features. Expedition yachts are built for long-range travel to remote destinations. They emphasize endurance, fuel efficiency, ice-class hulls for polar regions, and storage for water toys, submarines, or tenders. Custom yachts are designed entirely to the owner's specifications, while semi-custom yachts use proven hulls and systems, but allow for interior customization. Mega yachts are essentially floating palaces, and owners often include some truly extravagant and unusual rooms that go far beyond typical luxury. Many mega yachts have fully equipped private cinemas with reclining seats, Dolby surround sound, and sometimes hidden bars. Some yachts feature heated indoor swimming pools with waterfalls, slides, or even wave generators for surfing. Helipads are common on the top deck, sometimes with retractable hangars to store helicopters safely while at sea, and certain yachts carry mini-submarines that can be launched from special bays or garages for underwater exploration. Some yachts include tennis or basketball courts, often on the upper deck with foldable nets and custom flooring. Wine cellars can be incredibly elaborate, with climate-controlled glass rooms capable of storing thousands of bottles. This is a behind-the-scenes look at the intricate and highly specialized process involved in constructing a 380-foot luxury high-speed trimaran. The total cost of this high-speed ferry is around $74 million. The impressive shipbuilding operations you're witnessing take place at one of the state-of-the-art shipyards operated by Austal, a renowned Australian shipbuilding company known for producing advanced high-speed vessels for both commercial and military use. Right now, you are watching construction is Austal Hull 394, a vessel that will soon be known as the Bajamar Express. This trimaran is designed for both speed and comfort, built to meet the demanding requirements of high-capacity passenger transport while maintaining superior performance on the water. What you are seeing now is a major milestone in the construction process. The passenger cabin, engineered to comfortably accommodate up to 1,100 passengers, has been fully assembled and is now prepared for integration with the main hull structure of the ship. This stage marks a significant step forward in bringing the Bajamar Express closer to completion and eventual deployment. At this stage, the bright yellow passenger cabin is being carefully hoisted into the air by 8 massive cranes, working in perfect coordination. Fred Olsen Express ordered 2 of these ferries simultaneously in 2017. They were delivered to them in 2021. So in total, production took over 3 years. The whole trimaran consists of 2 main parts, the passenger cabin and the control cabin and hull. Now, a fleet of powerful, heavy-duty transport trucks begins the slow and precise task of moving the lower hull section of the trimaran. With calculated control, the trucks push the massive structure forward, maneuvering it carefully underneath the raised passenger cabin that is still suspended high above by the cranes. Founded in 1988, Austal has grown significantly over the decades and now employs nearly 6,000 skilled professionals across its various facilities around the world. Austal has 3 shipbuilding factories. Defense vessels are designed and constructed in Henderson, Western Australia, and Mobile, Alabama, U.S. Commercial vessels are constructed in Balamban, Philippines. You are now watching the completion of the Bajamar Express high-speed trimaran ferry at the Henderson shipyard in Western Australia. The ship is now almost complete, including painting, and can be launched for the first time. The process in this video is accelerated here. However, it takes several days to complete and ferry to sea. This special ferry has a capacity of 750 tons, 1,100 passengers, and 278 vehicles. The tugboats now have to push the ferry out to sea. The engines are still not working. Austal's cutting-edge motion control technology delivers a smoother ride and a better onboard experience for customers and crew alike. This trimaran is also exceptional because of its high transport speed. The speed of the Bajamar Express is 37 knots. Austal uses Deep Morpher software in the design of its ships. It is an artificial intelligence tool that can help optimize monohull, catamaran, and trimaran hull forms to suit any operating profile. Developed through a close and strategic collaboration with Danish ferry operator Mols Linjen, this impressive 370 feet catamaran has been meticulously engineered to accommodate the latest generation of modern medium-speed 4-stroke engines. Now in operation under the name Bornholms Linjen Express 5, the vessel holds the prestigious title of being the largest high-speed ferry catamaran in the world. This groundbreaking ship represents a significant advancement in maritime transport, blending size, speed, and environmental responsibility in one cutting-edge platform. The Express 5 boasts an impressive total passenger capacity of up to 1,600 people and is capable of carrying approximately 450 vehicles, making it exceptionally well suited for high-demand ferry routes. Despite its substantial size, the vessel maintains a swift cruising speed of 37 knots, ensuring efficient and timely crossings without compromising comfort or performance. It is powered by a medium-speed LNG-adapted power plant that offers a powerful, yet an economical and environmentally friendly solution. Since delivery in February 2023, Express 5 has contributed to an impressive 5% increase in passenger numbers on the Bornholm line in Denmark, a reflection of the vessel's outstanding efficiency and popularity. You are now watching the Balamban shipyards in the Philippines. This is where the entire trimaran ferry Bañaderos Express was built. The Bañaderos Express is Fred Olsen's newest ferry. It has been in service since 2021 and has the same engine and capacity as the Bahamar Express. On this high-speed catamaran ferry, you can ride between Gran Canaria and Tenerife. Bacamara was manufactured in Australia and Bañaderos in the Philippines. Therefore, both ferries could be manufactured at the same time. This ship is powered by four 9,100 kilowatts MTU M71L diesel engines, driving four Kaimua water jets, giving a service speed of 38 knots and a range of 710 miles. After taking the catamaran to sea, the finishing work on the interior of the ship continues. This is followed by testing of all the systems of the new ship before handing it over to the future owner. Fred Olsen Express will also perform testing. This vehicle passenger is called APT James, and it was built at the Austal shipyard in Vietnam in 20 months. 450 employees of the Austal shipyard in Vietnam participated in the production of this vessel. It carries 926 passengers and 250 cars. Travel speed is 37.5 knots. In operation is this catamaran in the Caribbean off the island of Trinidad and Tobago. This ship features the very latest in Austal's smart ship technology, including an advanced motion control system to deliver a more comfortable and stable ride for passengers and crew. The launch, which takes 5 days, involves taking the vessel on a self-propelled modular transporter, SPMT, from Vietnam's Austal Vung Tau shipyard to a barge. It is subsequently towed down the Saigon River to Ho Chi Minh City, where the vessel was lowered into the water using a floating dock. The APT James ferry is now being towed back to Vung Tau, where the ship's interior fittings had been completed. The ship is operated by the National Infrastructure Development Company of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. This section focuses on Daman shipyards, Mangusta, Feed Ship, and other smaller shipyards. Feed Ship, an acronym for First Export Association of Dutch Shipbuilders, was officially founded in 1949 in a modest cafe in Amsterdam. The yachting segment, Damen Yachting, was introduced around 2020 and now includes brands like Amels, Sea Explorer, Yacht Support, and refitting services. The production of every super yacht from any manufacturer starts with a computer-aided design. Once the yacht's design phase is complete, the process moves into the construction stage, beginning with the welding of the vessel's main structural framework. This phase forms the backbone of the super yacht, ensuring strength, stability, and seaworthiness. To facilitate this work, a massive scaffolding system is carefully erected around the hull and superstructure. From this towering network of platforms, skilled shipbuilders and welders can access every corner of the yacht. Here, Thousands of precision welds, modern replacements for the rivets once common in shipbuilding, are carried out to bind the steel or aluminum sections into a seamless whole. With the keel and hull firmly welded together, the yacht is transferred into a specialized painting hall within the shipyard. These facilities are engineered to provide controlled conditions free from dust and humidity, ensuring a flawless finish. Custom-designed hot tubs, swimming pools, and exterior relaxation areas are fitted onto the decks. High-tech systems such as navigation equipment, propulsion controls, and entertainment networks are integrated with meticulous care. Piece by piece, the once skeletal framework transforms into a living masterpiece of design and engineering, a super yacht ready to embody both power and elegance on the seas. I will now show you the process of welding and manufacturing an Explorer yacht from Amels. The Sea Explorer line debuted in 2015 at the Monaco Yacht Show as the world's first purpose-built expedition super yachts that combined luxury yachting with global capability, designed specifically to handle extremes from polar to tropical regions. Each model is compliant with the Polar Code. These yachts utilize Daman's patented SeaYacht hull design, coupled with a double-acting polar-class hull, allowing them to break through ice astern rather than simply pushing it aside, an exceptional capability for explorer yachts. Under construction for expected delivery in 2022, this custom build offers extensive exploration features including an ice-class hull, a cabana-style outdoor lounge under the heli deck, folding balconies, and an infinity pool. Equipped with a performance 112-meter sailboat, 2 tenders, road off-road vehicles, expansive toy storage, and a distinctive bow observation lounge. Explorer super yachts carry smaller boats inside, and a helicopter can land on board. Stepping inside Feedship's shipyard offers a rare glimpse into one of the most advanced yacht building environments in the world. While the shipyard is renowned for its completely custom new builds, a significant portion of its work also involves the conversion, modernization, and refit of existing yachts. Owners often bring in older vessels for extensive upgrades, sometimes to refresh interiors, extend hulls, modernize systems, or transform the yacht entirely with state-of-the-art technology and design. These yachts typically arrive at the yard by water, navigating through Dutch canals and waterways before reaching the feedship facility. Once there, a carefully choreographed operation begins. Giant cranes, some capable of lifting hundreds of tons, hoist the vessels out of the water and gently place them onto land. This process requires precision engineering to ensure that the delicate yet massive super yacht hulls are safely supported during the transfer. From there, the yachts are moved into feedships, enormous covered halls, vast factory spaces purpose-built to accommodate even the largest super yachts in existence. Inside, the vessels are shielded from the elements and worked on in climate-controlled conditions, allowing welders, painters, engineers, and craftsmen to carry out their tasks with meticulous accuracy. This is the 1012th project from Feedship, a custom super yacht. The length is 300 feet. A side-loading garage forward of the beach club stores 2 10-meter tenders, a ski boat, and various water toys, ensuring seamless access to sea adventures. It was designed by Synot and owner, Despite its size, there are cozy spaces inside that can be used by the whole family. Now we're going from Flagship to Damen Shipyard. The Damen Group is a Dutch defense, shipbuilding, and engineering conglomerate company based in Gorinchem, Netherlands. You are now watching the production of the luxury expedition yacht Sea Explorer 77. The Sea Explorer 77 is a luxury expedition yacht developed by Damen Yachting, designed to offer unparalleled adventure capabilities without compromising on comfort. The first hull, named La Dacia, was launched in 2020 and has since embarked on a global journey, so showcasing the yacht's remarkable versatility and performance. Her design incorporates a displacement hull that allows for a top speed of 12 knots with a cruising range of up to 6,000 nautical miles. The yacht is equipped with a certified helideck and hangar, capable of housing 2 commercially certified helicopters, facilitating access to remote locations. Amenities include a sundeck jacuzzi, sauna, steam bath, Ambiora massage room, gym, and an observation lounge offering 270-degree views. The yacht is equipped with snowmobiles, sea bobs, kayaks, windsurfers, and bicycles, ensuring a variety of recreational activities. La Dacia is built to venture into some of the world's most remote and pristine locations, including Antarctica, the Ross Sea, the Arctic, and the Kamchatka Peninsula. With enhanced fuel tanks and an improved garbage management system, she can maintain autonomy at sea for up to 40 days, making her ideal for extended expeditions.